Before this video starts, make sure to subscribe and like this video. And if you haven't, turn on the notifications. Thank you. So today, we are going to be learning why the Rubik's Cube is so expensive. We're going to make our hypothesis, we're going to share data and conclusions we have. Okay, so now that we have all of this data gathered into our brains, I'm going to make my hypothesis. So before we do this, I just want to explain what hypothesis means, the definition and the synonyms into the word hypothesis. Most of you people don't know what hypothesis means because you guys are not in the same level that other people are. I'm pretty dumb, so yeah, I'm explaining. So the word hypothesis, I'm going to give you the definition. So hypothesis means when you predict something into the beginning of a science project. This is not a science project, but it's just an example that I'm going to make. So let's say this is a tree and you're going to plant a tree and you're going to explain how long the tree is going to grow in a year. So you predict your topic, and that topic is called hypothesis. Hypothesis when you predict something in a scientific way. So that's the definition of hypothesis. When you predict something in the beginning of a science project, but this is not a science project, but so I do this because my name is Scientific Cuber. Because of this, I do and say hypothesis a lot because hypothesis is a science word. So first, I want to listen to your guys' opinion on why the Rubik's Cube is expensive.
So I just understood that the Rubik's Cube is very expensive because it's very good and magnetic. That's why I think it's very expensive, because it's good.
Not exactly Russian boy or whatever you are from. So yeah, it's not that because the Rubik's Cube really does suck. So let me explain it. So the Rubik's Cube is very hard to break, which doesn't make any sense if you put it in topic. So speed cubes are very cheap because they are not the real thing. Yes, they're better. So let me explain. The Rubik's Cube is very expensive because it's the real thing, I get it. And it's hard to break, but it is hard to design. But the Speed Cube is a little bit fragile, but you can get the Speed Cube for $14 and it's magnetic. And it can turn 100 miles per hour. And almost half of the world don't know how to solve the Rubik's Cube. It's more than half of the world. They don't know how to solve the Rubik's Cube, so they just turn it randomly because the Rubik's Cube sucks. They don't know what they're doing. So they just buy it because they just want to buy it. One example is that Oreos are not the original thing. Hydrox was the first sandwich cookie made on Earth. That was actually the real thing, but Oreos copied them, and Oreos are better. So yeah, that proves my point. Bye guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Bye.